Larte designs carbon fiber G-Wagen kit. Style over substance, the Mercedes-Benz G-Class is an icon of automotive presence. Its imposing design attracts a clientele eager to push the boundaries of customization. Larte Design has recently unveiled a comprehensive carbon fiber upgrade package for the G63, demonstrating that for many owners, the factory version is just the beginning. The kit. Aggressive aesthetics, the kit features a striking, fully exposed carbon fiber hood with integrated vents and louvers designed to improve engine cooling. The front bumper receives aggressive carbon fiber accents, including a pronounced splitter. Complementing these are aftermarket black wheels with carbon fiber detailing. Additional modifications include a roof-mounted carbon fiber light bar, extended side skirts, matte black tailpipes, and a substantial carbon fiber spoiler above the spare wheel cover. A redesigned rear bumper and diffuser complete the transformation. All components are constructed from pre-preg carbon fiber and have been TÜ Umlaut V certified, ensuring compliance with European safety standards. Pricing remains undisclosed, but the kit is specifically tailored for the 2026 G63 model and is manufactured entirely in Germany. Why this matters? The G-Wagen's market, the G-Class, has cultivated a unique position in the luxury SUV market. It's a vehicle that invites personalization, and the aftermarket thrives on providing increasingly elaborate modifications. The sheer volume of aftermarket companies catering to the G-Wagen suggests a significant untapped revenue stream for Mercedes itself. An opportunity for Mercedes could capitalize on this demand by introducing a dedicated line of official accessories and upgrade kits. Similar to BMW M's M Performance Parts program, G-Class owners are demonstrably willing to spend on customization, and many prioritize style over practical concerns like weight savings. The demand exists, Mercedes need only meet it. The G-Wagen's popularity is driven by its exclusivity and the desire for personalization. Mercedes could benefit significantly by offering official aftermarket upgrades, catering directly to this lucrative market.